Fix 1. Check if AOD is enabled. Android. Step 1. Go to Settings, Display Always on Display. Step 2. Make sure the feature is enabled and choose your preferred mode like Show Always or Tap to Show. iPhone. Supported only on models like iPhone 14 Pro and later. Step 1. Go to Settings and choose Display and Brightness. Step 2. Find the Always on Display option and ensure it's toggled on. Fix 2. Turn off Power Saving Mode. Android. Step 1. Head to Settings, Battery. Step 2. Turn off any power saving modes. On some brands like Samsung, maximum power saving may completely disable AOD. iPhone. Step 1. Go to Settings, Battery. Step 2. Disable Low Power Mode. While this mode extends battery life, it can temporarily pause visual features like AOD. Fix 3. Restart devices. Android. Step 1. Press and hold the power button or power plus volume down on some models. Step 2. On the menu that appears, tap Restart or Reboot. If your device doesn't show a restart option, tap Power Off, wait 10 seconds, then press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. iPhone. For iPhone X or later. Step 1. Press and hold both the side button and either volume up or volume down until the power off slider appears. Step 2. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Step 3. After the device powers down completely, press and hold the side button again until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 8 or earlier. Step 1. Press and hold the top or side button until the power off slider appears. Step 2. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds, then press the same button to turn it back on. Fix 4. Update System. Android. Step 1. Go to Settings, System. Step 2. Hit System Update to check for any pending updates. OEMs often release patches that fix display issues. iPhone. Step 1. Navigate to Settings, General Software Update. Step 2. If a new update is available, install it to ensure your phone is running the latest bug-free version. Fix 5. Clear Cache. Android. Try Settings, Storage, Clear Data or use Recovery Mode to wipe cache partition. This won't delete your personal files, just temporary system data. iPhone. iOS doesn't allow cache clearing directly, but restarting the device or resetting settings, not data via Settings, General Reset can help. Fix 6. Test in Safe Mode. Android. Step 1. Hold the power button and long press Power Off to enter safe mode. Step 2. If AOD works normally here, the issue is likely caused by a third-party app or theme. iPhone. iPhones don't have safe mode, but try removing recently added widgets or apps to rule out conflicts. Fix 7. Change AOD style. Android. Return to AOD settings and try switching to a different style, preferably a default system one. Some third-party themes may not display properly. iPhone. You can toggle AOD components like wallpaper and notifications. Try disabling parts to isolate what's causing the issue. Fix 8. Use Professional Repair Tool. If none of the above solutions work and your always on display feature is still malfunctioning, your device might be experiencing a deeper system issue. In this case, we recommend using a professional system repair tool. Step 1. Install and launch the Android Repair Tool on your computer. You'll see a screen pop up. Simply click Repair from the main menu, then choose Android Repair. Step 2. Connect your Android device to the computer using a USB cable. Step 3. On the next screen, select and confirm your device information, including brand, name, model, country, and carrier. Then, type in 00000 to confirm and proceed. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter download mode on your Android device. Click Next, and the tool will start downloading the necessary firmware and flashing it to your device. After a short while, your Android device will be successfully repaired, and always on display should start working again. For iPhone users, you can click the download button below to install a professional iOS system repair tool. Fix 9. Factory Reset. If all else fails, a factory reset might be necessary. However, a factory reset will restore the phone to the latest state, which means all your data will be lost. So, please back up your Android and iPhone in advance. Android. Go to Settings, System Reset, Factory Data Reset to wipe everything and restore default settings. iPhone. Open Settings, General Reset, erase all content and settings. Fix 10. Contact Official Repair Service. If all previous troubleshooting steps fail, the issue may stem from hardware-level problems such as motherboard or display driver malfunctions. We recommend visiting an authorized service center for a professional diagnosis. While this approach guarantees reliability, Please note it may involve higher time and financial commitments.